Hello, good morning. Today we're going to look at another question word. It's called Gini. It means what or why, depending on what you're asking after. So Gini means what or why. It is used to make inquiries about somebody or the cause of an event. It is used to ask of what somebody wants. It is used to ask after the name of somebody, place, or thing. Now, the format for using Gini to ask question in Igbo depends on what you're asking after. For instance, Gini mere, you use it to ask for what happened or what caused something that happened. Say Gini batara. Batara has to do with cause, what caused. Gini ka, okay. Now this one could be what did or what are. You see the meanings of this when we make sentences. Guineable, what is. So these are the different ways you can start questions with Guinea depending on what you're asking after. Now, Guinea mere Chika. What happened to Chika? Guinea mere Ola. What happened to that house? Gini kpatara na Uju erighị nri. What made Uju not to eat food? Or why did Uju not eat food? Gini mere na ha abịaghị. What made them not to come? Or why did they not come? So you can see the different ways of asking questions with Gini. Gini ka Adamma na-acho. What is Adamma looking for? Gini ka unu mere ebe ahụ? What did you do there? Gini bụ aha gị? What is your name? Gini bụ aha nkịta gị? What is the name of your dog? Okay, so let's go to the responses. Now to answer the question with Gini mere, you go straight to the particular action that took place. E.g., the question we asked before say Gini mere na Chika abịaghị n'oge. So you say Chika abịaghị n'oge. Or Gini mere Chika. Gini mere Chika. You say Chika abịaghị n'oge. Chika did not come early. Okay. Gini mere ụlọ ahụ. What happened to the house? Ụlọ ahụ adago. Now, to answer question with Gini kpatara, you state the reason why the action took place. E.g., Gini mere na Uju erighị nri. You say Uju erighị nri n'ihi na ọ na-arahụ ụra. Uju did not eat because she was sleeping. Gini mere na ha abịaghị. You say ha abịaghị n'ihi na ha jere ahịa. They didn't come because they went to the market. So you give reason why the action took place. Now to answer question about Gini ka, you mention the name of the person and what he, she, or it is doing or looking for. Example, Gini ka Adamma na-acho. Adamma na-acho ego ya. Adamma is looking for her money. Gini ka anyị mere ebe ahụ? Anyị gbara egwu ebe ahụ. We danced there. Now to answer the question about your name or the name of another person or another thing, start with aha. For instance, Gini bụ aha gị? Aha m bụ Maazị Sunday Ike. Gini bụ aha nkịta gị? Aha nkịta m bụ Bingo. See? So I guess you have been able to see how to make sentences or ask questions with Gini. Try it. Use Gini to ask 5 questions of your choice. Okay. Get me soon.